Hello po nga. Mapanikap ako dahil graduation ko ngayon.
Diyan talagang mag-graduate.
Siyempre yung mag-ano.
Ayan, sige. Oo.
Look at him. Oh, he's so pretty. What's it?
For our distinguished guests, Ma'am Erica and Karen Master, teacher told that Cypress School are supporting school of
milestone of our children. These kids were able to finish the first ladder of education, the kindergarten level.
for manners.
Fortunes Award and Eager Beaver Award. Winona Pearl G. for Venice. Winona Pearl G. for Venice will receive the Certificate of Recognition as the Star Reader Award winner. She will also receive the certificates for Budding Mathematician, Budding Scientist, Eager Beaver, Young Dancer, Tiny Tidy Award, Cheerful Award, Kinder Buddy Award, Legal Teacher Award, and Disciplinado Ako Award. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education Grade 5, School Division of Sorsogon, Asia Learning Center. Certificate of Achievement is hereby awarded to Winona Pearl G. Fernandez for her outstanding academic performance. Congratulations, Winona, and the proud parents.
As supportive school owners and public figures, loving parents make the love of greatest learning. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed morning to all of you. On behalf of the completers this school year 2025 to 2026, I would like to I can climb this mountain, I can break this wall, I can be amazing, there's no stopping now.
Over the moon.
Ma'am Karen, Ma'am Eileen, Sir Roy, Sir Ruben, and Ma'am Sarah. This is the dream of Ma'am Sarah. We realize